Hi guys, happy new week. So I have a question. Is it okay for someone to come at you unprovoked, age shame you, marriage shame you, child shame you, just like that, because you are a so-called celebrity? I've always said this, I'm not a celebrity. I have got blood running through my veins. I am human just like you. The fact that I have 2.6 million followers does not make me a demigod. Mark can decide to take the page at any time. Will my life stop? Mbakwa now. And then because of the fact that we're not supposed to react, we're supposed to let it slide. My darling, it is aura for aura. The only thing that keeps me sane is when I give you back what you dish to me. And then nobody sees what they say to you. They only see your reaction. Now, let me read this thing. September 5, 2023. Very useless person jumping from one man to another. If them use her, them go dump her. Make she go marry. She done the old. Make she go born. Why? And then I went into her DM and I fed her the same thing that she fed me. And then it is now a problem. So is it that some of you cannot take what you dish out to others? This is it now. No beside at the cap. September 5, 2023. Receipts day since then till now. So I am not supposed to react. This is the only thing that keeps me sane, like I said. You give me, I give you. Then everybody go do okay. Then you now run kitty kitty kata kata. You were crying because of just one line. But you write plenty now. Like I said, I'm not a celebrity.
tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí Nkechi Blessing tí ó sọ nínú fídíò yìí, ẹ gbọ́ mẹ́sẹ̀jì èyí tí ó kà síta, ẹ gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí ó sọ ọ́ tó ní pé òun kì í ṣe celebrity ò wípé èèyàn ni òun náà. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ọ̀rọ̀ ìgbẹ́nu tán ò tálẹ̀rò wípé Nkechi Blessing darí ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ sí àbí tálẹ̀rò wípé ó sẹ́ndì mẹ́sẹ̀jì náà sí Nkechi Blessing. Ǹjẹ́ rò wípé nǹkan tí arábìnrin Nkechi Blessing yìí ṣe ǹjẹ́ rò wípé ó dáa tàbí kò dáa? Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa tí ẹ bá lérò lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn èèyàn wọ̀nyí, ẹ tẹ́ sí comment section o, ẹ jẹ́ ká fomi jomi tó rọrọ̀ lórí ẹ̀. Tó bá rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ó dìgbà.
You bring rubbish to me, I give you rubbish back. Now